Welcome to Mt Shasta Escape.
It is Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. We're at Castle Lake again.
Today we'll hike a little over 2 miles to Heart Lake, and it's not that far from the cliffs above Castle Lake, and get some drone shots from that area.
I can't believe ours are not joining in.
Our dogs look good.
Hey, Sadie, wait.
Our goal is Heart Lake, and it's a short hike. I think the total round trip hike is about 2 miles. You climb about 640 vertical, but we really haven't done any, quote, hikes in a long time, and although it's short, it actually feels like a real hike. Well, we'll get up slightly over 6,000 feet, but that's still not enough to make a huge difference.
Yeah.
We did a fairly early season snowshoe up here last winter. Didn't go all the way to Heart Lake though, which we're going to try to do this time.
Hello.
Come on, don't tug.
Come on, let's go.
Anyway, a lot hotter here than NOAA forecast.
Yeah. Hey, Sadie, back. Over here. Come here, Sadie, come. Sit. Oh, okay. Very good.
I'll get home and my dogs will say,
Yeah, where have you been? I don't think anybody's going to try to mountain bike up here. I have no idea if they have it banned. They probably do, but regardless, wouldn't be able to.
So funny.
But she coming.
Stay.
Sweet babies. What kind of dogs are they?
Aussie Doodles.
What are they?
Australian Shepherd Poodles.
Oh, my babies. Oh, you're such good. Oh, you're such a good baby. Yes, you are. Oh, you guys enjoy your hike?
Yep.
Thank you.
Do you want a drink now, girl? Ready? Well, one thing I certainly got from the forecast, tomorrow is going to be hotter.
Uh-huh.
This is the coolest day we'll have for a while.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Over here, girl. Sadie, come. Okay, sit.
they seem to be friendly.
They, yes, they are. It's very exciting seeing all these people.
Oh, she's a two-eyed dog?
She is. She has a blue eye and a brown eye.
Yeah, I just noticed that. Oh, oh yeah, scratches.
Bye.
Bye.
Yep. Before we know it, we will be taking Felix up here.
Oh, yeah. I guess a couple years, but it's close.
It's close, yeah.
And Grandma and Grandpa looked a little older than us, and that's kind of how we'll be too.
Yep.
Let's hold up and let them cool down in the shade. Well, it's going to be a little more than that 1.9 miles. Whatever track I found wasn't going all the way.
Yeah. Hello, thank you.
How are you? Out of breath?
Yes. All right, thank you for the encouragement.
Looking forward to the lake.
Yes.
So the main cliff you see from down at the lake is just straight ahead of us. And Heart Lake is right down there. We're not going to go any further than Heart Lake today. It's kind of hot. But we have stood right at the edge of that cliff looking down, and it's impressive.
Let's go, Cash.
Huh. Sadie's in already.
She sure is.
I think they'll feel better going back. Downhill, plus they'll still be a little wet.
Uh-huh.
I don't think we've ever been here had it to ourselves.
Yeah, I think there's a big group behind us, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Got it clear of the bushes. Well,
Yep.
shall
Gotta
we
go
do
back.
it?
We're gonna head back, girls. Well, that's pretty much it for going uphill.
Yeah.
It says it's gonna be more like 2.4 miles.
Uh-huh.
Still not far.
Yeah, still not very far.
Oh, you really can't knock the scenery.
No. That breeze is nice too.
Yes, it is. Well, it's gonna be happy hour when we get home.
It is.
Right, trail right up Heart Lake's right over
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're just about there.
you just go up and over a little ridge there, but I mean, you know, you're a couple tenths.
She says, that means I can go say hi. I'm kind of shy. But
Seven.
Sadie just loves people making a fuss over her.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's the ticket.
Warmer here, unfortunately.
Yeah. Lost our nice breeze.
The Heart Lake is a nice spot to take a break, let the dogs cool down.
Uh-huh.
Pretty scenic.
Yeah. Castle Lake is prettier.
Yeah, it is. But also so many people, of course.
Yeah.
You know, there was nobody there when we got there, but
Uh-huh.
right through there were quite a few people there
Yeah.
at Heart Lake.
Uh-huh. Yeah, my memory is it's usually pretty crowded.
Over here, maybe? Where I am?
Well, yeah, this is a little difficult.
Mm-hmm. Oh gosh, a young person would just dance down that.
Yeah,
Not us.
I would have had to get on my butt.
I probably would have too. I mean, I can't
Yeah. let's go,
balance
Cash.
and stuff like that anymore.
Sadie's enjoying the vista.
She loves looking out over long views. It's kind of interesting having been pretty much all the way around on that side now.
Uh-huh.
I still suspect there's some sort of goat track that would probably take you up across that saddle up there, but
Probably.
nothing I think I'd want to do.
Yeah.
Stick the landing.
Yeah.